Are we good? Are we ready? You guys ready for this shit? Because it's gonna be probably a clusterfuck. Just saying. Please sponsor me. But first, the snack. Spicy Doritos. Cool. Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coming to you guys with a wig review, and I do not remember what I bought because I don't know what day it is. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. Where's she at, Bo? Yes. All right, we're going to unbox this. Ooh, like butter, baby. I've had this next to my bed for 2 days, by the way, and you guys know, if you know me and you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't let wigs sit. They don't sit in my house without me reviewing them. The moment I get them, I review. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I roll, okay? Yes, so yeah, whatever. Oh, is this one? I bought hair color. Yes, I bought the Adore Platinum hair color so that I can try to watercolor a synthetic wig. Yes, bitch. Wig that I'm going to be reviewing today and showing for you guys is the Motown Tress Let's Lace wig. This is a spin part wig, meaning that you shift it and you get your parting space, so it may or may not look that great. And this is the Ldp Spin63, and I got the shade Pearl Silver, which looks like a vieja color. Looks like a little old lady. So we're just gonna take her out of the packaging. I feel like I'm rusty when it comes to wig reviews. So we're gonna try our damnedest. Where's my scissors? Oh, she's long. Oh, she's long, she's long, she's long. All right, so let me take her out of the packaging. Okay, she looks like an ash blonde mixed with black, which I'm not mad at. I thought it was like a vieja wig. Oh, the curls on her are cute. So here's the wig. She's got beautiful curls. A little bit of shedding so far. Little bit of shedding so far. I haven't cut the lace. Got a lot of highlights of like an ash silver. It's actually really cute. I'm not even mad at it, to be real frank. I thought I don't know. We'll see how it looks on me, but potato, potato. More likely I'll wear it anyway. Rock on with your cockouts. It's what I do. I feel like the curl pattern on this is different than the curl pattern on this. Shit happens, right? The lace feels soft. You have 2 combs in the front, lace parting in the middle. That is a very long lace part. That is about 6 inches there. Like a long. There's a comb in the back, and you have the adjustable straps. Now the cap itself, I'm gonna turn it in and out, inside out, in and out. The cap itself is a mesh cap, which I find quite interesting. It feels like it's a larger cap, but I find that mesh, I mean, it might make it look more natural. I don't know, we'll see. There's like little baby hairs on the wig, which, cool. I don't know how to finesse baby hairs, guys. Give me some tips. What I use to cut my lace, if you guys are new to my channel, are these are just grooming scissors. You can get them in the men's section for grooming, or they're just grooming scissors. You can find them online, Amazon, anywhere. I'll try to leave a link down below where you can get the scissors, but I have a link of pretty much everything I use for, or anything I recommend for wigs, whether it be wig caps, wig bands, powders, and stuff like that. I personally like using powder for my parts. Because it's easier to clean, and you can adjust it however. It won't get greasy or oily, and it won't ruin the part. That's what I like. Let me adjust the straps though, because I know my little peanut head. It's just like with my 3 strands of hair, it's just not gonna fly. Look it. Oh yeah, the cap is roomy. I look like a character from like one of the witches from whatever movie. You go to her to cast a spell, and she gives you some nasty potion that you drink, and then you die shortly after, you know, type shit. I'm that girl right now. The middle part does not look bad. I'm wondering if I can... The curls are actually very pretty on this. Yeah, I definitely look like that witch right now. The curls are pretty. I don't know what to do about the part in the middle though. Because I feel like, well, one, I look crazy right now. But I feel like these are way more curly waves than this. Again, why do I look this crazy? Let me shift it. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. I love me a side part. I'm a sucker for a side part. She looks really full though for what it is. She looks good. This is a, what we call this, a right-sided part, which I like because this is the side of my face I like to show off a little bit better. Doesn't mean that it doesn't look, that it will look good, but. So this is the shift parting that they're talking about. I did a little side. Oh, they both look good. Just want to see something because you could use a pinche, but I don't have a pinche right now, okay? A hair clip, that's what pinche means. For you guys that don't know. Okay, this looks like too much. It's a lot of curl. A lot of curl. She's really pretty though. I actually like this mix. It looks really pretty. Clearly the middle part is just not gonna work. It's not ugly, but I literally look like a witch. Which, let's be honest, I am one, guys, but we don't want to show our true form. That's just not what we do here, okay? Wig makeup kit. Here we go. So I'm going to finesse the part because clearly it doesn't look like I have much of a part there. I'm going to be using my wig makeup kit by the Virgin Hair Fantasy. Love, love this powder set. I'm actually going to mix all three of these shades. I go in with the light shade first, which is milk. Then I go in with banana, and then I work in peach, how I see fit. So I'm going to go in with my angled brush. This is my wig brush. It's just an angled brush by Cosette. I'm going to go in with milk because she's pale. Look at that. I'm going to go in with the banana shade now. And I'm piling it on the brush. And I'm just going to take it and blend it. I'm going to extend it out a bit. Like past into my forehead. Past into my forehead. That makes no sense. English, please. Look at that. Oh my god, the wig makeup kit just did that. Wow. We opened it up. We made it look more natural. I'm living for this. I'm going to try to turn around and show you guys the back of the wig. Alright. So this is the back of the wig with the hair in the front, because this is how I would wear it when I go out. So I'm sorry you guys can see my sports bra. I don't care. Alright, and this is the wig. Ooh, yes, honey. She's a good length. She really is. I'm digging her. So overall, I think this wig is really beautiful. It just took me a little bit of warming up to. The color on this, if you're looking to get into maybe grays or get some highlights that aren't blonde, this is actually perfect. It is actually really perfect. Because I thought it was like matronly at first. I was like, I'm gonna look like viejita. I'm gonna look like someone's abuela. But you know what, honey? I'll be a grandmama. You just gotta pay. Let me know what you guys think, of course, down below. I am a little rusty with these wig reviews, but I'm gonna go show the hubby. Oh my god, she's cute. She really is cute. I love the layers. These layers though, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. You could probably trim more layers if you want more bang to it, but this has the right amount of layers that I can pin back, or I can just curl away from my face real quick. I like it. Good call, girl, good call. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Motown Tress Ldp Spin63 units. This is the spin part. Of course, you guys saw me part it. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I personally like it. Took me a little bit getting used to, but she's not getting any poofier, which is great. Because if she was starting to build up too much volume, I'd probably freak out. But I actually like this color mix a lot more than I thought I did, because I saw it, I was like, oh, que cute. Anyway, guys, enough rambling. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will see you guys in my next video. And yes, of course you're stomping now because I'm filming now. That's so nice. Gotta love having neighbors. Anyway, bye.